Hi, we are Cledson Basso and Wesley Souza, and we work for the Itaú Unibanco company headquartered in São Paulo, Brazil. We are part of a community team who is responsible to design, develop, and sustain a corporate private cloud to provide IT resources and workloads for multiple internal business areas.
Our main role in that context is with configuration automation solutions for the cloud. There are multiple hundreds of cloud server instances being provided by time, and we require a standard and fast process to apply server baseline configuration in order to be secure and consistent. We also have multiple applications running as workloads over this server's instance, and we require an useful and standard app CI and CD pipelines.
Puppet Enterprise is a tool we use to address some of the steps on these areas. As example, we use Puppet to improve time and consistency for server provisioning, operating system hardening, DNS config, baseline monitoring, disk config, security scans, and more are examples of resources configured during the provisioning process and also keep it configured during the whole server instance lifecycle.
We also use some of Puppet Enterprise APIs and the orchestrator capabilities for integration with your internal app and workload CI and CD pipelines. Jenkins is the tool for application testing, scanning, building, and publishing. And Puppet works to ensure app package deployment is applied into the desired target server instance.
There is a very close integration between Jenkins and the Puppet Enterprise APIs, plus the orchestrator features. As example, we use the Puppet role-based access control API to manage pipeline access controls, and we also use the Puppet classifier API to manage node configuration updates. The orchestrator power is used for configuration execution enforcement.
Those two services have increased our time to market considerably. Servers previously fully provisioned on days are now provisioned on minutes.
On the other hand, we faced a challenge having multiple and decentralized teams developing Puppet code. We had to provide several internal technical training sessions and workshops to ensure an acceptable knowledge base and communication process. We had to standardize some aspects for new Puppet codes, like naming conventions, modules dependencies, classes inherent, parameters, use cases, hire a backend standards, and so on.
To assist with that, we implemented an automated and dedicated pipeline for Puppet code using GitLab CI, which is currently running code lint and code syntax, with near-term plans for unit tests and code content.
Let's take a look to a picture with the pipeline stages for our Puppet codes. The stage test is doing two jobs in parallel. The first job scans for all Puppet lint gem validations. The second job scans for several syntax checks. It validates manifests and EPP templates using parser validate. It checks metadata, YAML, and other files using community validation Ruby gems. All these checks run in a shared GitLab CI runner instance.
If the stage test completes with no errors, it starts the second stage called deploy. The stage currently runs on single job with two distinct steps. The first step is used to deploy any updated code from the source code management repository to the Puppet Enterprise master of master server in a staging directory.
If completed successfully, the second step calls the Puppet Enterprise File Sync API to sync any code from the staging directory in the master of master server to the live directory in all Puppet Enterprise master servers.
The whole pipeline included the 2 stages plus the 3 jobs, and the multiple steps takes seconds to complete.
We believe to be ready and confident that we are in the right direction to scale our environment. Developers from multiple and decentralized teams are already in the direction to standardize their code development skills and proud with a single and consistent process to develop, test, control, and publish their codes.
If you are interested to have more information, feel free to reach us out and we will be very happy and open to talk and discuss options and solutions with you.
Until now, we are very happy to work with Puppet. It has increased our operational times and processes. Right, Wesley?
Yes.
So let's keep improving and scaling up. So thank you very much.
Thank you.